Hello and welcome to this very special tutorial on rigging a 3ds Max character for games. This tutorial deals with a very popular topic, but it's also different from any other tutorial you have seen on the 3ds Max Learning channel. For one thing, there are about 40 movies to watch, and many hours of instruction to take in. So you should pace yourself and do not attempt to watch the whole thing in one session. Also, because of its length, this tutorial has its own playlist on the channel, so it is easier to find all the associated movies and follow along. As always, you are provided with a set of downloadable 3ds Max scene files. These make it easier to pick up the pace in case you fall behind with your own project. The scene files were used to record these movies, and you can use them to ensure a perfect match with what you watch on screen. By the end of this tutorial series, you'll be able to build, skin, and rig a character that an animator can easily place in any conceivable pose. This tutorial series consists of 3 distinct parts. The first set of movies feature some general setup tips and show you how you go about building a bone skeleton. A bone skeleton takes longer to set up than a closed system like Biped or Cat, but it gives you more flexibility in the long run. The importance of joint placement and orientation is discussed at length. With the skeleton in place, the next set of movies in the series teach you how to skin the geometry to the bone skeleton. Skinning a character is not technically hard, but often feels that way because it's a very intuitive and organic process. It is also time-consuming, but there's a feeling of accomplishment when the skinned character behaves properly. There are no sequential workflows to follow here, and you'll find yourself jumping back and forth between one area and another. You will, however, learn a few basic tricks to help you develop your own rhythm. Finally, the last set of movies will show you how to rig the character. This includes creating a series of helpers and manipulation tools to ensure that the animator can pose the character effortlessly. These tools include a set of screen controllers to handle inverse kinematics, IK, and forward kinematics, FK solutions, and a set of custom attributes to help you create secondary animations like foot twists and finger curls. By the time you reach the end of the series, you'd have learned a great deal about character rigging and skinning. Please keep in mind that even though the techniques shown in this tutorial also work in previous versions of 3ds Max, they are optimized for and recorded in 3ds Max 2013. And so, if you're ready, let's get started.